afternoon. What we are about to see in this video, guys, is a tour at Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort. O, diba? Social. Inimbitahan kasi kaming lahat ng mga teachers dito sa aming school for a Teacher's Day trip. Thank you so much po, Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort. Hope you'll enjoy watching this video, guys.
Happy Teacher's Day once again, and thank you so much for gracing us with your presence here ngayon sa Hilton Clark.
Tara. Yan, ibang group yan.
Ayan, bale from ground, third floor na po agad. Nyo din dito. Meron po kami outdoor space for kids.
Ay, wow.
Ayan, for family.
Okay.
Ayan, mag-picture daw.
Ay, picture daw tayo. Pictures. Ganda sa labas, guys.
Po sa third floor, yung lahat ng mga restaurant outlets namin. Ito po yung Olive, yung all-day dining. Ito po yung breakfast nila, sir.
Sa executive, ano daw tayo, floor. Once again, guys, it's Hilton Hotel Tour. This is the standard guest room. Mga ilang rooms po ito, ma'am?
380 rupees.
Ay, wow. So, bali, ma'am, ito po yung standard room.
Yes, standard king guest room po natin. 34 square meters and 59 rooms.
2,000 per head.
2,000 per head.
Per day. Per night.
Natin siya. Same lang din siya nung nauna pero
Same
ito
rate.
2 beds.
Mas malaki yan.
Oo, 2 bed.
Ano naman to?
Ayan. Maganda ito, guys, maluwang. Ayan, meron pa siyang office, oh.
Ang dami extended.
Punya.
Kaya yung iba,
Mm-mm.
tapos dyan sila upo, mag-relax.
Mm-mm. So nice, ma'am. So, yan, di ba? Ayan, guys.
Beds naman siya. Twin beds.
Parang same nung kanina naman. Dalawa yung ano, dalawa yung bed.
Ang guest room natin. Parang isa.
Meron siyang connecting room, guys. So, kapag daw may nag-request ng mas bigger room, yan. Meron siyang connecting room. Ano yan kung papasokan natin, ma'am?
Ito po ang treat bar, ang bar ni Hilton. Tapos ito po yung mga themed nights natin na sinasabi ko. Ayan. So for Monday, ito yung ano natin, si Ho Garden, ano siya, beer. The gin tonic, ayan. Tapos ito naman soul, so mostly soju, mga ganun.
Wow. Wow, ang daming mga,
So, may
choices.
wine cellar kami. So, para sa mga guests na talagang mahilig sa wine.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi tayo mag-picture kasi dito yung maganda natin siya. Pwede din tayo itong para yung mga mini events. Piling ko na.
Yes, habang nagwo-workout ka sa labas, guys, andito yung mga babies ninyo. Pwede silang mag-enjoy din. Hello po.
Because we're using microbiome po. So we only have Hilton and Golden po for the microbiome. In the Philippines po. Pero ma'am, meron din tayo virgin coconut oil. For the massage.
Dito yung anak mo.
Ay,
Dito yung anak mo.
Para siyang antique herbal cleansing.
Kaya pala siya close.
sukod.
Ano siya, sir?
Basta may sip-sip na.
Before the facial go, you have your it's a complete journey. For those na before kasal, after, or birthday. So, dito sila.
Iwan niyo na ma'am si Ma'am Krisha dito.
This is your room, Ma'am Krisha. Po.
Ginger, honey, plus cinnamon.
Sa sarili kong entrance ito, may isang ballroom. Kung meron ka ba dun sa baba, kung tayo ganyan din ang daan, yung sariling entrance. Parang hindi lang po lahat doon sa lobby na nagkakagulo yung mga tao.
Usually, for guests natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga stage set up. And ito po yung mga sample balconies.
May seminar.
Yes, oo, mga ganun. Malalaki mga. Pero isa rin nakilala kayo.
Ayan po, enjoying the posing. Thank you so much, Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort, for the warm welcome and kind gestures. Maraming salamat po. Sana po sa uulitin. We also would like to express our deepest gratitude to Ma'am Denise Molintas, General Manager of Hilton Hotel. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your wisdom and experience to us. God bless po. Sobrang saya po namin for sharing us that beautiful experience, and wala kaming masabi. Sobrang ganda, sobrang masaya. Just a short review about Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort. This hotel, guys, is being surrounded by greenery and golf courses. It's just about 20 minutes away from Clark International Airport. And from their door, it's just about 25 minutes away from Puning Hot Spring Resort. About their drinks and dining naman, it has a poolside restaurant. Olive serves as an international buffet, and they also offer la carte option. By day, you can have a coffee treat while enjoying the outside view, which is the greenery. No? Ang daming mga beautiful spot na makikita dun sa outside view niya. Olive offers wine by night. Sa amenities naman, meron siyang kids club and playground. It is just near the workout area o yung gym. It has a free parking, digital key, spa, executive lounge, outside pool, It offers a room service. It has also a non-smoking rooms, fitness center, but pets are not allowed. And for those who wishes to stay in a nature view side, try nyo sa Hilton. Sobrang ganda, guys. Di ka magsisisi. You will be pampered like a king and queen because all you need is already there. So sana guys, naibigan nyo yung magandang experience namin na na-share ko sa inyo dito sa video na to. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. God bless everyone!